Foundation Rhythm in the spotlight. Hi, I'm Debbie. Pioneering producer King Jammy set to release anniversary album showcasing his iconic rhythm. Sleng Teng taking dancehall in a computerized direction and also now being sampled for younger ears.
Sleng Teng at 40 plus.
It was recorded in 1985, and if you play at a dance now and don't play Sleng Teng, you're not doing nothing.
Game-changing sound, a collaboration by musicians Noel Davey, Wayne Smith and producer Lloyd James, better known as King Jammy.
We were playing around with the Casio keyboard, and we heard a sound like a rock sound, you know what I mean? That's the basic sound, and we add the rest of the instrument to it, and here comes the reggae, Sleng Teng.
The 1985 rhythm heralding a move away from analog to digital music production.
My sound system was playing at a dance on the Friday night, and we just cut a dub when we recorded under my Sleng Teng with Wayne Smith and sent to the dance, and when we went to the dance tonight, the dub played about 10 times I tell it, Anthony. We couldn't stop playing it.
Smith's original Under Miss Sleng Teng followed by hundreds of spin-offs.
It made my reputation as the producer who changed the business. What came as a surprise to me is how it took over the whole world, you know, and started the dancehall era.
Jammy tweaked Sleng Teng in 2005, and this August he's releasing a non-juggling anniversary album.
Different mixes, different instrumentations.
Titled Sleng Teng 40.
Which include artists like Maxi Priest, Sean Paul, Shaggy, Morgan Heritage, and a whole heap more artists. I don't want to let them put out the bag with everybody.
With launches in the UK and North America.
It's going to be in London, New York, Canada, and Miami. And also my book will be launching the same time, and my documentary.
40 years and a little boy something. 40 years and a little boy something.
James has also signed on with intoxicated producer Troyton for an updated take on the iconic rhythm, featuring among others Assassin, Idonia and Ritical.
Troyton is a man that grew up around here in the music industry, you know. So I'm growing the Sleng Teng, you know what I mean? So that's in my blood.
I was here, you know, so the whole, you know, energy and the whole vibe, I've seen the dub plate machine and how it cuts, and you have to sing straight onto the dub plate and you can't make a mistake, you know what I mean? So all those things help to mold me. My version of it, I call it bad sling, because I still want to make that connection. Add some modern thing to it, the 808, to make it a little bit fresh and modern with this kind of generation. More dominant dancehall sound to my thing, but I mix it a little bit. Right now, as we speak, some of the biggest rhythm now, they're authentic dancehall, which is coming back right now. So the space is there for me, the people want to hear it. To be honest, they're tired of the trap thing.
Foundation sounds like Sleng Teng, people need, especially the younger generation, need to plug into them to understand where Jamaican music is coming from.
The melody of the music and the lyrical contents of the vocals, you understand? You have to get those things right. Sleng Teng melody will catch anybody, even a deaf man. It's a cultural connection also. We Jamaicans don't really like to study the history of the music. Just like the music itself and like to play the music and listen to the thing, you know. But to read deep down and research to find out where the first, you know, ska music was played with studio, they're not interested in that.
And if we lose that thread, if we lose that interest in where it all started, what do you think might happen?
You lose part of your culture. You lose part of your culture.
Just tell me from your perspective why it's important that we still have that producer-artist relationship in a studio when music is being made.
Well, a singer only call himself producer because them have the equipment them at home can do them thing themselves. If I'm a producer, I matter to you very much because I have to teach you the way how to sing, the way how to do the notes, the way how to do everything, how to ride the rhythm. That's my job. I always learn. I don't learn everything one time. I always learn. I can learn from a baby. So I don't see why the artist can't learn from me.
How would you break it down in terms of trap now and foundation Sleng Teng back in the day? What's the big gap? What's the big difference? What's changed?
Sleng Teng beat them by far. Beat trap by far, far, far. We need some more melodies in the trap rhythm. You know what I mean? It can be chopping, but we need melodies. We need melodies. Melodies move people. Melodies make you feel bright.
Is trap Jamaican enough to cross over outside of Jamaica?
I don't think so. Probably people like the artistry, the artist on the song, but the rhythm itself, maybe it don't reach there.
A lot of music from Jamaica in the 90s crossed over to another market.
Because people could dance to those rhythms. It's not only the lyrical contents. People could dance to the rhythms.
So what's changed?
The trap changed it.
His studio museum in Waterhouse taking longer than he'd planned, but King Jammy making sure other legacy projects are right on target.
Next year I'll be 80. So I look like a young boy still answer it.
We know, make nobody stress me. So we know, no, we no make no stress me. We know, hey, we no make nobody stress me.